So if you watch Pyro guys, you know he likes to distort his voice a lot. Now I tried to search how do you distort that way and just couldn't find it. So here I'll show you how to do it. Welcome guys, this is Keto, and today I'll show you how to distort your voice like Mr. Pyrocynical does. So I'll show you how to turn this.
You have Daddy05's group that seemed to have surfaced on the internet, and this is a
to this.
Daddy05's group that seemed to have surfaced on the internet, and this is a
Okay, so the effect is very simple. It just pitches his voice up and down very fast. I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. Okay, so first you go to your effects tab, you search pitch shifter. Okay, so you drag the pitch shifter onto your audio, not the obsolete one, the pitch shifter. And then you go to edit, you open it up so you'll be able to see something. You press use appropriate default settings and high precision. Okay, so after we've done that, let's go to individual parameters and to transpose ratio. So go to the beginning of the clip and press the toggle animation button. Now we'll go to 1.7. We're gonna drag this circle to 1.7. Go 5 keyframes forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drag it back to 0.75. Okay. Now we can copy it. Go 5 frames, 3, 4, 5, and again copy this whole thing. Go to the end. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, copy this whole thing, go to the end, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just repeat till the end. Okay guys, I forgot to do one thing before we continue. I'm adding this only after the video has ended, so don't forget to do this. Select all your keyframes, okay? All your keyframes, and then right click and press Bezier. Okay, don't forget to do it. For some reason, again, OBS won't show my right click pop-ups. Right click the keyframes after you've selected them all and choose Bezier. Okay, it's supposed to be somewhere here after you right click. Then it will be more smooth and better, basically. So as you can see, I finished. Now let's hear this whole thing.
Daddy05's group that seemed to have surfaced on the internet, and this is a
Sometimes it'll only play the high pitched or over the low pitch, but just let it play a couple of times, as you can see. Now I think you should save this as a preset, because doing this whole process is not very fun every time. So just go to the pitch shifter, right click and save preset. Okay, mine is already saved as let's go to the preset. Mine is already saved as pyro voice distortion. Now let's put the video distortion thingy. It's called in the effect pro. Let's just drag it on our video, and here you can just play with the angle. You can see this way, how big the radius or where is the circle. So as you can see in this clip, I tracked the scroll. See those keyframes? I tracked it to where he's going. There and so yeah, this is kind of how I did it. So if you thought of a better way on how to do it, write in the comments below. I'd love to know how. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, press that like button. This whole video was recorded with the Boya BYMM1, which I unboxed in a previous video, if you want to check that out. I hope I'll do more tutorials in the future, but my computer isn't the strongest, but I'll definitely try. So have a great day guys, and see you in the next vid.